Hey guys, okay, so this is gonna be weird today. Tonight, I decided to do a repair for you guys, and here, well, my camera's off, and if you guys see some stuff in the background, don't bother, it's my sister's, that's not this, so, that's the camera. Hey guys! Okay, so, yeah, so you guys are on my screen. You guys can't see my screen, but um, yeah. So I have this. I've been playing with the mouse. So I have some questions that I put up, and yeah. So okay, that's one is it. Okay, so I'm gonna do 10 questions each. So I'm gonna do 10 questions. So number one is are you in love? Yes, I am. I have a I am I'm not gonna lie. I do have a crush and a guy in ROTC because I'm in ROTC. I just got back from a deer meet. Yeah. Okay, number 2. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. And then coffee only if I'm like really tired. I woke up like super early in the morning and do about the stuff. That's my sister's stuff, so yeah. Not gonna. Okay, yeah, okay, I'm gonna do it. It gets on my laptop. So yeah. Um, skipping that. Okay, number 3. What is your dream vacation? I gotta say my dream vacation is gotta be like somewhere really beautiful, possibly with my future guy I'm gonna be with. So yeah. Okay, that one. Okay, so skipping that one. What was the last movie you watched? I'm not counting histories. If another one of you guys, I am a history class. I'm not gonna say because I look at history and I guess at my desk. Uh, oh, if you guys don't know, the last movie I watched was Beauty and the Beast. So, yeah, Beauty and the Beast. Yeah, it's really good. Okay. Okay. I think that's supposed to be who is your best friend. Not how is your best friend. What? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be who. So, who is my best friend? Well, she's probably watching this right now. I'm gonna do a reveal. It's coming out. It's coming out in a few months, so next time I see her. And I'm not saying at school. I'm possibly saying after high school. I'm a junior now. I'm going to be living in Texas. Okay, so yeah. Was that 5? No. Just back on. 15, 15. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that's number 5. Okay. What is your favorite pet? Well, my pet's actually in the room right now. She's up there. She is a kitty cat. She's my kitty. When I do go move down to Texas to live with my aunt, will be, I will be getting a dog. So, right now she's my favorite, and I can't actually show you guys right now. My kitty cat. Come here. Okay, so, okay. See, this is her. Where is that? So she does purr loud, so you guys can hear the purring. It's this one. This one's purring loud. Okay, you can go back up. Okay. Heading back to my spot. Okay, so that was 6. What is your best friend? She's at home, possibly sleeping. So, yeah. While they're sleeping, talking to her boyfriend, watching YouTube with her siblings. Okay. Yeah, no. Not during that question. Okay, what? Okay, no, never mind. Nope, that's a real question. What? Okay. I got it. So, this question is number 8. Would you marry a celebrity? It's tongue-tied. It's tongue-tied, and I have no idea. Yeah. Okay, not that one. That's a real question. Okay. This one. So, this is number 9. This asks, how long can you stay without breathing? Without me? Well, with me. Violet, I can see a tail. Yes, that's Violet. She's my kitty cat. I saw it here, so. I gotta say about 5 minutes. Yeah, guys, here's a little tip about, like, a life lesson tip. If you're standing, never, ever lock your knees. 1, that can cut off blood circulation or whatever you want to call it. 2, you can pass out. So yeah, well, 2 reasons. So my hair's fluffy. I just got back, and my hair was in a bun. My hair's finally clear from being in a bun. My piece are never, ever locking these. Here's the other story. So when I was in 8th grade, I'm in junior right now, so like 3 years ago. That was when senior citizen, when, I don't want to call them old, but grandparents, okay fine, grandparents that would come to Norwood and choir. I was in choir back when I was in auto, so yeah. I'm in choir still today. David, I don't know if you guys know, not one of you do, but David, he would be like standing in the back row because he's tall. He was tall back then, he will always be tall. And he would like and like before it even gets started, he would like lock his knees, and he thought it would be like good, but if he like locked, well, I don't know what he thinks, but yeah, blah 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 blah. I'm trying to remember this. And he'll be like, every time he locks his knee, his blood like cuts off. And right before, like, I think 3 minutes before it started, we were like have a big collapse. And everybody like David's down. And like Miss Russell, my choir teacher, choir is short word for chorus, so I guess call it choir. So yeah, Miss Russell will like, she will like go back, make sure they was okay, and David always does that performances. Well, not in band. He loves playing the drums. I got hope in the buttons. Okay, so last question. Okay, do you enjoy watching cartoons or anime? I do not watch cartoons. I watch some anime, so I'd say anime. Yeah, I used to read like books on anime in my freshman year, so 2 years ago, so. And that when I had a friend named Robert. He got me into those, so. If you guys enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Comment what you want to see next down there. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and that little bell so you can be updated when the next time I upload. And I'll be probably next Saturday. Yeah, next Saturday, so. Oh, and guys, I am half dead. I do have a hearing aid. Yeah, I do have a hearing aid. Yeah. So, like, subscribe, and make sure you hit the little bell. Bye!